Ever wondered what you might be missing out on with the latest iOS updates? Today, we'll be uncovering the hidden gems of iOS 17.4 that are waiting to be explored on your iPhone, whether it's the latest iPhone 15 or an earlier model. First up, we have Siri's newly developed multilingual prowess. Now Siri can announce messages in multiple languages, a feature that's a boon for bilingual users or language learners. Simply activate additional languages under Settings, Siri and Search, and Messaging with Siri. Next, we delve into the enhanced battery health insights. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of your battery's condition, manufacturing details, and charging cycle history, giving you more control over your battery management. Security gets a boost with strengthened stolen device protection. Now your iPhone requires double authentication, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. On the topic of security, iMessage also receives an upgrade with PQ3 encryption, ensuring your messages are future-proofed against potential quantum-powered threats. For those conscious about eye health, the new screen distance feature sends warnings when the screen is too close to your eyes, helping to reduce eye strain and myopia risk. Emojis get a fun update with over 100 new additions, including gender-neutral options and directional variations, adding more zest to your messaging experience. Podcast enthusiasts can now enjoy real-time transcripts, enabling easier navigation and engagement with your favorite shows. Privacy gets a boost with virtual card numbers for Apple Cash, offering enhanced security for online transactions. Verified business information on the call screen helps you identify incoming calls from businesses at a glance, making call screening more efficient. Finally, CarPlay sees a significant upgrade with customizable instrument cluster displays, expanded vehicle data access, and features like live camera feeds and tire pressure monitoring, enhancing your in-car experience. So there you have it, the lesser-known features of iOS 17.4 that can transform your iPhone experience. From multilingual Siri messages and enhanced battery health insights to advanced iMessage security and expanded CarPlay functionality, iOS 17.4 is brimming with features that offer a blend of convenience, security, and fun. So go ahead and dive into these hidden features to unlock the full potential of your device.